In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add frequently bought together on Shopify. Start by signing in to your Shopify account and navigating to the admin dashboard. In the left corner, click on the Apps option and search for Essential Upsell and Cross-Sell. Install the app and follow any on-screen prompts to grant the permissions it needs. Once installation finishes, open the app to begin creating your first offer. Inside the app, click Create Offer to start building a frequently bought together block. You will first choose where this upsell should appear. Decide whether it makes the most sense on your product pages, where shoppers are actively considering an item, or in the cart, where buyers are close to checkout. Each placement has advantages. Product pages can increase average order value earlier, while cart placements catch customers ready to purchase. Move to the Content tab and select Frequently Bought Together as your offer type. This configures the layout and behavior to show complementary items. While here, customize the title and the main call to action button text so the wording matches your brand voice and clearly communicates the value to customers. Short, benefit-focused text tends to perform best. In the offer section, define the trigger conditions. You can apply this to all products, specific items, or entire collections. Use specific item triggers for targeted cross-sells and collections for a broader application. Then choose the upsell items you want to display, either hand-picking products that pair well together or using Shopify's automated recommendations to suggest items based on purchase data. Apply a discount to the upsold items if desired. You can set a percentage or a fixed amount. Small, logical discounts often encourage add-on purchases without harming profit margins. After discounts are set, go to the Design tab to pick a template and refine colors, spacing, and typography, so the offer fits seamlessly with your storefront design. When everything looks right, open the Placement tab and click Publish to activate the offer. Finally, use the Preview function to test the experience on your store. Check how it appears on desktop and mobile, confirm that pricing and discounts display correctly, and verify that links add items to the cart as expected. With these steps completed, your frequently bought together feature will be live and ready to boost average order values.